Fairy gardens, also known as mini gardens, capture the beauty and magic of nature in small, indoor spaces. When put in a book, it's the perfect decoration for literary lovers. Let's check it out. Hi there! I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. Welcome to our library! Whether you've been visiting for years or this is your first time stopping by, we are so excited to have you, especially because we're in the middle of the Imagine Your Story Summer Experience, a yearly summer-long program that celebrates reading, learning, and play in all ages. How do we do that? Well, we reward those activities with some awesome prizes. You can earn points towards our raffle of 3 gift bags with $50 in gift cards each by attending virtual events like this one. Simply visit goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020 and log the secret code from today's event. In this video, we'll be making fairy gardens, and the first step to any craft is gathering our supplies. You're going to need one book. You want to make sure it's big enough for the size garden that you're planning. It's especially important to have a pretty thick book if you're planning on putting in plants that need a big root system. This is the one I'll be using today. To cut up that book, you're going to need a box cutter. You could also use a sharp X-Acto knife. To protect the book from the water that you'll inevitably be watering your plants with, you'll need some kind of liner. I'm using a plastic bag today. And to cut that liner, a pair of scissors. To fill your garden, you will need some soil. Any potting mix will work well, but if you're using cacti, make sure to get a cacti-specific potting mix. And to help with drainage, get some pea gravel for the bottom layer. To seal the book, to make sure the pages don't flap away, you'll need some Mod Podge and a paintbrush. And you'll need something to plant in your garden. I've got 2 succulents today, and it's the perfect size for my book. Play around with what sizes will work well with yours and in what position. Moss will cover any bare spots that the plants don't cover. And last but not least, you'll need some decorations that make it a fairy garden. We've got little figurines. They make tons of things for dollhouses that can be used in your garden. Also consider little signs or gems and rocks to decorate your garden. And now that we've got all our supplies, it's time to get started. Grab your book for the first step.
Open the book to a natural resting place about 5 to 20 pages in. Now hollow your book. Using the text block as your guide, shown here with a highlight, cut a rectangle from the pages. Continue using your previous cuts as a guide until you reach the back cover. This could take a while, so it's a great time for me to let you know today's secret code is upcycled9. You can log your code at goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020. Again, that's upcycled9. Remember, the code is case sensitive. We're off to a good start, but let's speed this up a little bit. Now we've got a hollowed lined book with plastic. To line, turn several hollowed pages to the front cover. Paint the open page with glue and tuck the plastic liner into the hollow. Trim the plastic edges if necessary, and then you'll have a hollow lined book like this one. Keeping the book open, paint the edges of the hollowed pages with Mod Podge. This seals the pages together and prevents them from opening. Let dry and repeat if necessary. Add a layer of pea gravel to the hollow. Pea gravel will help drain the soil so the roots don't sit in excess water. Then add a layer of soil. Remember to leave enough space for your plants. Remove your succulent from its pot by gently squeezing the pot to loosen the soil and then tip it into your hand. Squeeze the root ball to gently break apart the dirt and prepare the roots for planting, then plant it in the soil. Repeat with your second succulent. Water them in, but remember, succulents enjoy dry soil. Add moss to cover the remaining soil. Not only for decoration, moss prevents water evaporation. Add decorations including but not limited to gems, pea gravel walkways, dollhouse furniture, fairy figurines, miniature animals, and signs. Add your own creative flair. Wipe off the excess dirt and you're done.
a completed fairy garden. Did you follow along? Leave us a comment to let us know what your experience was and with any tips or tricks that can help others do this craft as well. Plus, by watching this video and making this craft, you've earned points towards the Adult Summer Experience. Simply log into goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020 to redeem those points. And while you're there, visit the Get Crafty mission to upload a picture of your completed craft for even more points. It's as easy as visiting goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020. Like and share this video if you enjoyed the craft, and don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we've got great content like crafts and how-tos for all ages, plus book talks, story times, and more. I'll see you back here next week for another how-to video. In the meantime, connect with the Goffstown Public Library on any and all social media, or visit goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later. Bye!